So we are know about what is the closed loop and open loop system. What is the main difference between those two systems, and now we will discuss about the applications and where we are using it, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the system. First, defining our system, then tell me where it is used for the open loop as well as closed loop system.
The open loop system is a control system where the output has no effect on its controlled action. That means the system does not use feedback to determine if the desired output is achieved. The input is applied and the system responds based on its output.
Okay. Same way we have a definition for the closed loop also. Let me discuss about the closed loop definition.
A closed loop system refers to a control system where the output continuously monitored and the feedback to the input and give the feedback to the input to adjust and correct the operation automatically. This feedback allows the system to maintain desired performance even in the disturbances. If we want to tell in simple terms, means a closed loop system monitors its own output and adjusts its input accordingly, just like a car driver steers a car while constantly watching the road.
Okay. Now we have discussed about the definitions of your open loop and closed loop system. Apply your concept to the real world applications. You have some applications and some advantages and disadvantages over those two systems. So tell me about the applications of open loop as well as closed loop system.
The open loop system is applied in washing machine, microwave iron, micro oven, electric irons and traffic light controls. To deeply move on to the application, washing machine is once the user select the wash cycle and time. The machine follows a predefined sequence, filling water, washing and rinse and splitting. Why it is open loop? There is no feedback mechanism to detect the cleanness of cloth or adjust the process. There is only one limitation: if the cloths are heavily soiled, that might not be fully clean because the system does not adjust the washing time.
Similarly, the closed loop system also have an advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: more accurate and stable in its speed and correct errors. In disadvantage: more complex and costly due to the extra components like sensors and complex design, needs and continued power supply for this. And as application used in automatic washing machine, air conditioner, CNS machines and elevators, etc. Advantages of open loop control system: simple and it is inexpensive, it is low cost and it operates for steady systems and easy to design and fast responsive. And disadvantages includes no accuracy, room may overheat or remain cold. It cannot handle disturbance. Example: open window. It is less accurate and not adaptive to changes, and it has no feedback and error changes.
So let me explain another example for closed loop system. Let us consider a cruise control vehicle. Then in some vehicles there is a cruise control feature which will maintain the speed if we goes fast, and it will send a signal to the throttle to reduce the speed. This acts as a closed loop system. For example, the input is the speed and the output is the speed, and the input speed we give will compare with the actual speed. If we go higher than the actual speed, means the sensor will indicate the throttle to reduce the speed. This will happen with the help of feedback.
To conclude that the difference between the open loop system and the closed loop system. So in the open loop system the feedback is not used, and in the closed loop system the feedback is used. And the open loop system complexity is simple design, and the closed loop system is more complex. In open loop system, response to disturbance cannot respond, and in closed loop system can adjust automatically. And in open loop system the accuracy is less. In closed loop system it is more. Thank you.
Okay. By this conclusion and case study discussion, we come to know about what are the concepts we have discussed in the closed loop as well as open loop system, and where we are using it also we have discussed. you have some clear idea about the concept of open loop as well as closed loop. Thank you.